Hello friends, welcome to our channel Google Galaxy. Today we are going to discuss the concept of formal charge, and this concept is in the chapter of chemical bonding. First we must know how to draw the Lewis structure. Make sure that you have seen the video of how to draw the Lewis structure. You can search in our channel to get that video, to get that video where we explain how to draw the Lewis structures. Few of the Lewis structures are discussed over there, are discussed in that video. Okay, after knowing how to draw the Lewis structures, we are going to study that how to calculate the formal charge. Make sure that any charge of an atom is acting as the charge of the ion. Overall, we will add or subtract the charge of the ion. I'll show you this with an example. We must know that the formula of the formal charge. After learn that formula, you are able to know about the how to calculate the formal charge on individual atom. Okay, we are talking about the formal charge. The formula for formal charge is calculated with the number of valence electron in atom minus number of unshared electrons minus half of, or I can say minus half of number of shared electrons. This formula we need to learn, or I can say cram, before calculating the any formal charge of an ion. If I am having the structure of NH4, that is ammonium ion, this plus sign means that it loses its one electron. If 2 plus, it means that when we calculate the valence electron, the total valence electron in a molecule, we will subtract 1 from the total, because plus is acting as cationic. Cationic means that's losing of some electron. After writing the Lewis structures, I am going to draw the structure. How we can draw the structure of Lewis? This one is the structure of Lewis. After contributing the electrons from both of the from all 4 hydrogens and the nitrogen, we will get the structures. Nitrogen is having the atomic number of 7, 2, 5. After losing 1 electron, no, hydrogen is having 1. How many hydrogens are present? 4 hydrogens are present. So 4 plus 5, we will get the 9 value. After subtracting 1, why we subtract 1? Because it loses some electron. It is having the charge of positive, that is cationic charge. So we have overall 8 electrons. So with this 8 electrons, we have drawn the Lewis structures. Now, how to calculate the formal charge? Let's talk about the formal charge. When we talk about the formal charge on nitrogen atom, so we will say number of valence electrons in an atom. So we will say 5. So 5 minus number of unshared electrons. How many unshared electrons are present over here? None. So we call it as 0. Minus half of number of shared electrons. We will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will half multiply by 8. After getting the value 5, so 1. So we can say nitrogen is having the formal charge plus 1. plus 1. These are the 4 hydrogens. Formal charge on hydrogen. Formal charge on hydrogen atom. To calculate 1 minus 0, so 1 is the number of valence electron, number of unshared is none, so we will write 0, minus half of how many, so we 2 from each side, that is 1 2. Hydrogen is having the 1 2 same, so we are talking about the single hydrogen atom, so the overall charge would be 0. So we can say the charge on each of the hydrogen is 0 because all of them having the same behavior. So if let's take another example of carbonate ion. Carbonate ion CO3 2 minus. Okay, how to draw the structures? After following the rules of writing Lewis structures, we are able to draw the structures and their structure. Okay, formal charge on carbon. Formal charge on carbon is equals to 4. 4 is the valence electron of carbon minus number of unshared paired electrons. Number of unshared is none, so we will write 0, minus half of number of shared electrons, we will say 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the overall charge on carbon is 0. So formal charge on double bond oxygen, on double bond oxygen, we are having the 6 minus 4. 6 is the valence electron of oxygen. Oxygen is having the atomic number of 8. So when we write the configuration, we will get 2 comma 6. 6 is the valence electron, number of unshared electrons. Oxygen is having 4. Double bond is having the 1 2 3 4. So number of unshared electron is 4 minus half of shared electrons 1 2 3 4. So we will multiply by 4. The overall charge would be 0. So we can say formal charge on double bond is 0. This is how to calculate the formal charge. You can easily calculate the formal charge of any compound given to you with the same formula. Formal charge on single bond oxygen. How many single bond oxygens are present? So we here 2 single bond oxygens are present, both are having the same behavior. So getting the charge of one oxygen, it means we automatically another atom is having the same kind of charge. So 6 minus 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, unshared is 6, valence electron 6, minus half of 1 2, shared pair of electron is 2, so overall charge is minus 1. Overall charge is minus 1. So here minus 1 minus 1, the overall charge for this carbonate ion is minus 2. As I told earlier that the charge on the individual atoms are acting as a charge on an ion, charge on a whole atom. This is whole about the how to calculate the formal charge.